In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this pairing unsuccessful message on your iPhone running iOS 26. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now tap on Bluetooth. Now if you have connected this same device in the past and it is listed under a different name on your iPhone, simply tap the info icon next to the device and then tap on this forget this device option. Now tap on forget again to confirm. Once you have removed the device, make sure your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode. Once it appears as an available device, you can tap on it to connect to it again. If you still experience problems, open the control center on your iPhone and then tap on this airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a few seconds and then tap on this airplane mode icon again. Now try connecting your Bluetooth device again. If you still experience problems, tap and hold this power icon in the top right corner and then try and restart your iPhone. So what this will do is take care of any temporary issues that may be causing the problem with the Bluetooth. If you still experience problems, go to the settings app again. Now this time scroll down and then tap on screen time. Here you will need to scroll down again and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. In this menu, simply turn off this toggle at the top. If you still get the same error, go to the general settings, scroll down and tap on transfer and reset iPhone. In this menu, tap the reset option at the bottom. Now simply select reset network settings. Now follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Once you do, your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.